Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Show that 7 sine of 2 theta minus 3 sine of theta is equal to 0 can be written in the form a sine of theta multiplied by b cosine of theta plus c is equal to 0, stating the values of a, b, and c. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start with question A and I'm going to do it in pink. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to write this out. Now remember, here we have a double angle. Okay, we are going to use the double angle formula for sine. I'm going to write this out as 7 times 2 sine of theta multiplied by the cosine of theta, and that is equal to 14 sine of theta multiplied by cosine of theta. Okay, so what we did is we used the double angle formula for sine. Okay, so it's this formula over here. Okay, so we used this double angle formula for sine. Now we can rewrite the equation as follows. We can rewrite it as 14 sine of theta multiplied by the cosine of theta minus, don't forget about this part over here, minus 3 sine of theta is equal to 0. Now we can remove the sine of theta. It's a common factor. We have a sine of theta over here and we have a sine of theta over here, so we can remove it as a common factor. Now we add brackets. What remains in the brackets? 14 cosine of theta minus 3 equals 0. And they asked to state the values of A, B, and C. So A is equal to what? A is equal to 1 because we have a 1 over here. We just don't write it. So A is equal to 1. And then B is equal to 14. What about C? C is equal to negative 3. So looking at B, we will start with this. Sine theta, inside the brackets, we have 14 multiplied by the cosine of theta minus 3 equals 0. So that is what we start with. So the sine of theta is equal to 0 degrees, or the sine of theta is equal to 0. We can see here, sine of theta outside the brackets is equal to 0. And the other part will be 14 cosine of theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this can be rewritten as the cosine of theta is equal to 3 over 14. Now, in this case, if sine of theta is equal to 0, then it means theta will be equal to 0, or theta will be equal to 180 degrees. Now, you should actually know these. Let's move on to this part over here. Cosine of theta is equal to 3 over 14. So that means theta is either equal to 77.63 degrees. So you can use your calculator to find the principal value. So what you do is you press shift and then cosine, and then inside the brackets it will be 3 over 14, and that gives you a value of 77.62637488, and then you round it, it becomes 77.63. So I'm just going to repeat that. What you do is you use your calculator to find the inverse. So you press shift and then you press cosine. Inside the brackets, you will have 3 over 14. Then you close the brackets, you press the equal sign, and you will get an answer of 77.626. And you round it to 2 decimal places. It brings you to 77.63. Okay, so this will be the one value for theta, or the other value for theta will be equal to 360 degrees minus 77.63, and that brings us to 282.37 degrees. Okay, we have to find the other value in the required interval as well. So that is why we take 360 degrees and we minus 77.63 degrees from that. And we get an answer of 282.37 degrees. So that means, here are the other solutions. So that means the solutions are 0 degrees, 180 degrees, 77.63 degrees, or 282.37 degrees.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.